Are you a grammar expert? Hey everyone! Answer 20 English questions. 5 seconds for each. Let's begin. Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is he is known for his son. Question number 2. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is she yelled at the servant. Question number 3. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I am waiting for my turn. Question number 4. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is she lives in the mountain. Question number 5. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I want a surprise for him. Question number 6. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I made a bag with cloth. Question number 7. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I go to school on foot. Question number 8. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I learned a lot from my teachers. Question number 9. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is we talked about the shopping. Question number 10. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is she is allergic to nuts. Question number 11. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is she focuses on her work. Question number 12. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is she is ashamed of lying. Question number 13. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is Mom scolded me on shouting. Question number 14. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is he stepped into the shop. Question number 15. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is he was fined for being late. Question number 16. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I am new to this hotel. Question number 17. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is he commented on my post. Question number 18. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I will tell you on Sunday. Question number 19. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is I am hoping for a bonus. Question number 20. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence is the glass was broken by me. Great job! How many did you answer correctly? Keep improving every day.